Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to grow green chili with seeds. First, select high-quality seeds for the best chance of success. You can find these at most garden stores or online. Once you have your seeds, soak them in warm water for a full 24 hours. This helps to soften the seed coat and encourages quicker germination. While they are soaking, prepare your seed starting mix. It should be light and well-draining to prevent waterlogging. After soaking, plant your chili seeds about 1/4 inch deep in small starter pots or trays. Ensure each seed has enough space to grow without crowding. Maintain a consistent soil temperature, ideally between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit, using a heat mat if necessary. Provide plenty of light, at least 6 hours daily, from a grow light or a sunny window. Keep the soil consistently moist but not soggy. Once your seedlings develop 2 sets of true leaves, they are ready for transplanting into larger containers. Choose pots that are at least 6 inches in diameter to give the roots ample room to expand. Use a high-quality, well-draining potting mix. Begin fertilizing your plants every 2 to 4 weeks with a balanced liquid fertilizer, following the product's instructions. Continue to provide plenty of sunlight and consistent watering. Harvesting your green chilies is a rewarding experience. They are typically ready when they reach their desired size and have a vibrant green color. Use clean garden shears or a sharp knife to cut the stem just above the fruit, being careful not to damage the plant. Regular harvesting encourages the plant to produce more chilies. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home and garden experience.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.